I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Bit Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bit Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on 3 dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bit Assist logo and click on Bit Integrations. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select Actions. KonnectzIT. Give here the webhook link. So visit the KonnectzIT dashboard. Create KonnectzIT. Give a KonnectzIT name. Search a trigger webhook. Drag and drop here. Copy the webhook URL. Capture webhook response. And paste it here. Body. Send all data. Choose Application JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. Done. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to the KonnectzIT site and choose your desired action. I am choosing Airtable. Drag and drop here. Choose Action. Select Account. Choose Base ID. Choose Table ID. Choose Type or Case. Select additional fields. OK. Now create a connection between webhooks and Airtable. Test and review. Save. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to Airtable site and here you can see the data came successfully in Airtable via KonnectzIT. Thanks for watching.